So for this problem, given line AB is equal to 57 centimeters, then to find the sum of the perimeters of the three circles. So take note that the formula for the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi times the radius. Since 2 times the radius is equal to the diameter, so therefore, we can rewrite this formula as pi times the diameter. So we're going to use this formula to solve for the diameter of a circle. Then from this given, since there are three circles, so therefore there are three diameters. So this one for the first diameter, the d sub 1, the d sub 2, and the d sub 3. Now take note that the sum of these three diameters is equal to line AB, and that is equal to 57 centimeters. Then to find out the sum of the perimeters of these three circles, so again from this formula equals pi times the first diameter plus pi times the second diameter, then plus pi times the third diameter. Then from this, we can factor out pi. So put pi outside, so therefore the remaining is d sub 1 then plus d sub 2 plus d sub 3. Then since the sum of these three diameters is equal to 57 centimeters, so therefore the total perimeter is equal to pi then times this 57 centimeters. So from this, we can find out the sum of the perimeters for these three circles. So we have pi, so pi is 3.1416, then times this 57 centimeters. So we have 179.07 centimeters. So the sum of the perimeters is 179.07 centimeters.